Spot. I'm your new owner, so shower me with love and affection. Karen, it's not giving me unconditional love. I think it's defective.
You're gonna have to train him to do that.
I train him? I'll give it a shot. All right, Spot, let's start with something easy. Stay. Good boy. Now sit. Very good. Now roll over. Excellent. Now shake. Wow. That's one mean shake you got there. I think we should burn off some of that extra energy. Would you like to go walkies? I'll assume that's a yes. March! Phew! We must have walked for miles. I guess